Okay, now what about this phase? As the wind velocity in this surrounding is high, due to the eddies formation, what will happen in this particular zone? The wind pressure will be reduced. The external wind pressure will be reduced as the velocity of surrounding air is high, as per Bernoulli's law. Now, as the internal pressure, okay, we are assuming there is no such opening within the building, so internal pressure due to the internal air is constant. As external pressure reduced, internal pressure start to dominate. So what will happen here? The internal pressure will act, not the external pressure. So here also you can see in this wall the load actually acting from left to right, but this is due to internal pressure. But here the load is acting from left to right, but this is due to external pressure. Got the idea? Okay. Now what about the ceiling? Okay. Now the problem is for this particular phase, okay, the air pressure here is drastically reduced, the external pressure reduced. Why? The velocity in this surrounding air is very high. Okay. So again in this case the internal pressure will dominate. That is why for this slope, right hand slope, the pressure will act from bottom. Okay, here you can see, and this is again also due to internal pressure. Okay, now the problem is about this particular slope. Okay, depending on the slope, let's say this slope is near about 60 degree. Okay, in that case the external pressure is dominating. Okay, but let's say here the slope is only 15 degree.